So I'm going to show you how to use apps in split screen mode on the Galaxy A27. So first things first, open one of the apps you want to use in split screen. For instance, I'm going to open up the gallery, and then now you can go into multitasking. So you can either tap on the multitasking button, and if you're using gestures, it's a swipe and hold, and it's going to take you into this multitasking mode. So you want to go to the app you want to use in split screen, tap on the icon, and then select open in split screen view, and it's going to open up in split screen. And then now you'll have the opportunity to select another app to use in split screen mode. So let's say, for instance, that app is the Files app or My Files app. So you want to tap on that, and now you can see we have two apps open in split screen. The divider in the middle allows you to adjust how much screen real estate each of the app occupies. So if you want more space for one app, you can adjust like that. You can even, if you tap on that icon there, swap the apps. So you can have the lower app come on top and the one on top come lower. I mean, it's really up to you. You can even save this pair of applications, so you can always open them up in split screen anytime you want. To exit out of split screen mode, just close one of the apps by swiping all the way down or all the way up. Thanks for watching. Good luck.